Hi, I'm Dominique Pouliquen, one of the co-founders of Cintoo, a company based in France and in the US. So if you use terrestrial laser scanning to manage your digital twins in AEC, oil and gas, manufacturing, vertical infrastructure, or for property or real estate assets, Cintoo Cloud is a reference cloud-based solution to manage, organize, view, share, distribute, measure, or annotate your terrestrial laser scans. Cintoo Cloud is based on a unique point cloud to 3D mesh to point cloud technology that has been developed over the last 10 years. It's a complete collaborative platform to manage and distribute your laser scan data with no compromise to accuracy. You can share projects with your team, clients, or subcontractors, creating different permission levels to manage project access on what users can do online. Cintoo Cloud is a scan on BIM platform with a comprehensive set of tools and services for seamless scan on BIM workflows. That includes scan on BIM comparison to detect issues, but also scan-to-scan comparison to monitor progress. Everything you need for quality control on issue tracking when you need to compare the as-built to the as-design. Everything from a simple web browser running on any standard laptop. With Cintoo Cloud is your reality data from everywhere to anybody at any time.